Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In this video, we will learn ta, dal, and ta with their exit point. As I already have explained in our first part, that in Arabic language we have same exit point for different letters. So ta, dal, and ta, they have same point. So today we have ta here and dal, ta. Ta with two dots at top, dal without dot, and ta without dot. So here is the exit point, the point of pronunciation for these three letters: tip of the tongue and root of upper front teeth. Here, ta, while saying ta, we use tip of the tongue and root of upper front teeth. Ta, ta, dal. Here, dal. And the third one is ta. Ta is a bit bold, then ta, ta is light, and ta is the bold one. So we use tip of the tongue and root of upper front teeth while saying these three letters: ta, dal, and ta. Here I have another picture for that: ta, dal, and ta. Right? So they have same point, and which from that point we are like pronouncing three letters, and they are ta, dal, ta. Ta is bold, ta is light, and dal has its own sound: dal, dal. I hope you got this and the video. I hope that was you. I hope that was useful for you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.